Friends, Nokia is a famous Finnish smartphone manufacturing company. But the mobiles of this company are very much liked by the people in the global market. Now in such a situation, Nokia is going to launch another great smartphone, whose name is going to be Nokia Lumia Max 5G. Now even before the launch, some of its features have been leaked online. According to the leaks, you are going to get a 200 megapixel camera setup in this smartphone, that too at a very low price. If you also want to buy this great smartphone, then watch this video till the end. In today's video, we will give information about the full leaked features, price, and launch date of this great smartphone. So let's start. Features of Nokia Lumia Max 5G. Nokia's this smartphone is going to be a very attractive looking smartphone. This smartphone has a 6.85-inch Full HD plus AMOLED display, in which you will get the protection of Gorilla Glass 7. Apart from this, the resolution rate of this display is 1440 x 3200 pixels, on which a refresh rate of 120 Hz has been given. Processor. Talking about the processor, in this phone you have been given octa-core processor, of Snapdragon 8 Gen 1. And if we talk about the operating system, you can see Android 15 in it. Camera setup. You have been given a triple camera setup in this great smartphone. In this you are going to get a great primary camera of 200 megapixels. Apart from this, it will have two camera setup of 32 megapixels and 8 megapixels. And the smartphone has a 50 megapixel front camera setup for taking selfies and video calling. Battery life. In Nokia Lumia Max 5G smartphone, you are going to get a powerful lithium polymer battery of 7200 mAh. Apart from this, you will get 90-watt fast USB Type-C charging support in this smartphone, due to which you will be able to fully charge it in just 25 minutes. Price in. If we talk about the price, then the starting variant with 12GB RAM and 256GB storage can be priced around $600. Launch date. Talking about the launch date, no official information has been received about it. But according to leaks, it can be introduced early next year.